Jerry Gulke, and he's going to comment on the early trading following USDA's report today. Go ahead, Jerry.
Yes, good morning. This was one of those reports that we thought would probably shock somebody or catch somebody in the wrong side, and basically, generally, the average trade guess was for production to be down 70 million and for a slight reduction in exports, and so carry-out would drop a little bit, in fact, in corn. And in fact, it was not the case. They actually lowered corn a little bit, I think 0.3 of an acre, and they lowered the exports for corn 100 million bushels. So that meant that the carryover actually rose and didn't go down. And the initial reaction by the government was, by the trade was to open 5 to 6 lower. We subsequently went unchanged to slightly higher, while following soybeans, I guess. Down hard early and then up and then down until we've had about a 6 or 7 cent trading range in corn, and we've had about a 14 to 16 cent trading range in beans. The bottom line of beans was that the carryover did lower for this year a little bit, and by increasing the exports and unchanged in the production. And of course, this report was based on revisiting some of those people that weren't done harvesting yet during the last report. So the government's saying we lost a little bit in the field, but not a whole lot. And yet the demand for corn is falling enough to where the carryover this year they've estimated at 1.799 or 1.8 billion bushels. We're not going to run out of corn before we harvest again. And I took the time to look at some of what's left. They did not look at the South Dakota, North Dakota farmer situation because they know they were. I'm in Marshall, Minnesota today at a conference, and there's still a lot of snow up here in South Dakota and more in North Dakota, and it'll be a while before they get in the field to get out what's left. But we took a look at it and felt there was about 200 million bushels of corn left outstanding in the harvesting. And so what are we going to lose? Are we going to lose 10%, 15%? We might lose to 20 million bushels. Insignificant in the whole scheme of things. So I think the market will start to focus on planted acres that will come 31st crop report.